Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This lecture is number 4. Last lecture we are learned this draw panel, this all of this one, and this lecture we are learn this modify panel. And first of all, so first we are use first command, this move command. Click from mouse and select the object, which object you want to move. So I want to move this drawing. So select from all this drawing and enter. Then you see this one, you can move this all object. You see, if you want to move some object, so again we use this move command. And if I want to move this only door, so I will select from keyboard only this door, then enter from keyboard. Then you can move, you see, you can move this only door. You see, now have here is the door is come here. If you want to again move, you can select again, then select the pick point. I pick point from here, you see, and come is here and enter. You see, this one is came here, and you see this one is move command. Also, if you want to move something, this bedroom, if you want to move something is up and down, right and left, again you can use this one move. Select the object, enter from right keyboard, and then you take it where you want to fix it. You can fix. I fix it here. You see, this one is move command. You see, this one is coming like that. And again we have is this one is copy. First of move, then second is copy. If you want to any object copy, you can select copy this one. First of all, I select this bedroom, then enter keyboard and select. You see, this one is copy. How many you want, you can add it. Okay, this one is copy command. This one is I erase this one. And again, if you want to copy this door, you can select copy, then select this door and enter, and you take it from here and where you want. For example, no have door is here, you can fix it here, you see, and you can fix anywhere you want, you can fix it. This door, this one I copy this door, this one. So this one is stretch. I want to use a stretch. I draw here one rectangle, you see. So if I want to stretch this one, so I select here, then I select here, then I can stretch. You see, this one is stretch. I use this one is for stretch. So again we learn after copy. This one is stretch command. So first of all we make here a rectangle. You see, this one is rectangle. So if I want to stretch this rectangle, so I select the command, then I select the object, then enter, right click from keyboard, then I can stretch this one. You see, you can click anywhere and you see this one is stretch. See, now is big one. So we are use this command for stretch. So I want to short this one. Again we select here, select this object, then you see you can, this one is half, this one is stretch command we are use for this one is large object and short object. This one is stretch command. So again next, this one is rotate. You see this one is rotate. I will select rotate, then I select the subject, enter right click from mouse, then I pick the first point, this one, then you see this one you can, I will, orth mode is off, then you see this one is rotate. So which area I want, which direction I want this one, so I can select this here, you see, like that it's coming. Which area where you want you can fix it. This one is rotate commands. We are use this one is for rotate, you see this one. It's coming like that. There is this one is rotate. Also you see this one is if I want to rotate this door, I can select here and rotate, specify the object, you see I will use like that. If I want to use this one, you can use. If I want to use here, you can use. This one is rotate command. This one is benefit of rotate. And second, again they have is mirror. There is mirror. So how can I use the mirror command? First I select, then I select the object, then enter right from keyboard mouse, then enter, you see this one is mirror. In the same this object is mirror. I on the mode, and again we have here mirror. Select command from mirror and select the object, which object you want to mirror, then right click from keep mouse, then you see this one mirror, then enter, see this one is mirror. This one door now is, this one is single door and this one is double door, it's came like that. Again we are raise this one and you will see the example. I select the command, then I select the object, which object I want to mirror, then right click from mouse and you see this one is mirror from here. If you want to mirror here, okay. If you want to mirror another side, you can where you want, then enter from mouse. Then if you want to one side, okay. If you want to double side, you can, you see this one it's coming like that. If you want to one sided, you can select, then enter, then you see it's coming this one. Here you enter the yes, the one sided is removed and one sided object is available. You see this one is one sided is moved. What's coming, we are use this one is for this one. And again we have is here scale. So scale, where I will use the scale, you see this one. If I door, I will, this door is came here, I move first, this door is here, see this door is big, this door is big, so I want to short this door. How can I short? So I select this scale object, then I select this door, then give him the specify point. From here you see this one, which size I want, I can give him this one. You will see this one is scale. Understand? Again we check, you see this door is big one, and this wall is short. So how can I this short door? Select the scale command, then select the object door, then right click from mouse, then pick point. You see this one is how can I make a scale. If I want to big, I can big. If I want to small, I can small. So I give him the small. See, this one is coming like that. So next I want to use trim command. How can I use this one? We see this one I have this wall and this wall. They have between the one line. So I want to trim this line. So how can I trim? So we are use the trim command where this one is trim command. Select this trim command and which object you want to trim, you can click there. I want to trim this one. You see this wall is trim, and again if I want to use also this trim, I can select here. You see also I want to trim this wall, I select here. You see this one is trim like that. So this one is trim command is used. Again, for example, we have is two line here. You see, so which line I want to trim, I select the command. Then which line I want to remove this line, I select here. You see this one is trim. Also I want to trim this line, I select here. This one is trim. You see which line I want to use, which line I want to trim, I select this line. This line is trim. You see I want to trim this line, also trim this line, again this line. You see it's coming like that. I think you are understand. And next we have this one is fillet command. First select this fillet command, then you see here in the down command bar they have undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. Which you want, I will choose the radius, or then enter, then give him the how much you want to radius, I give him 7 cm from keyboard, then enter. Select first object, then select second object. You see this corner is coming round. This one now is radius. This one is radius. We are used. This one is for this one is coming radius, and this corner is 90°, and this corner is radius. You see round corner, and again we choose this one is chamfer. I select this command and give him the distance for chamfer. Give the D from keyboard, then give it the chamfer 7 cm, again 7 cm. You see, select one first line corner, then second. You see this one is coming this way. You see this one is round corner and this one is 45° corner. Before they have is 90° corner. Now it's came 45° corner. So this one we are used for chamfer. So we learn next command. Next command I have array. This one is rectangle array. This one is path array, and this one is polar array. First we use rectangular array. How can we use this one? We take a one rectangle is here. You see this one is what rectangle. I erase this one and make a one circle is here. This one. Now I select array. Select the subject. This one. Then enter. Right. Then enter. You see this one is coming 4 columns and 3 rows. So you see in the top of this one I can change here from here. now is 4. I need a 6, then enter. You see there is 6 column. The between column now is 62 mm. So I give him 100, 150 mm. You see this one is 150. I give him 100 mm. This one is 100. So there is 3 rows. I give him 2. You see there is 2 rows, and between the distance there is 62 mm. I give him also is 100. You see this one is 100 mm. So we are use this one is rectangle array. So again this one is path array. So this one is used for if they have his path, you are use their path array. So I will make one arc, enter. You see this one is arc. I make one circle here, this path array. I use this one is path array. Select the object, then right click from mouse, then give him the path. You see this one is there is path array. And also if you want to choose the item, they have is 9 item. So if I give him the dimension 100, you see this one is coming 6 items. You want to increase the rows, now is 1, you can give him 3. You see there is 3 rows. The distance is between also is 100. You see there is the path is increase. So this one is 2, and the third one also we will check. Make one circle and also draw one line from here to here. Select the polar array, select the object, then right click from mouse, then enter is here base point. You see it's coming this one. If you want to change the items, now is 6, I give him the 10. You see there is 10 items. And the rows, if you want to increase the rows, you can increase 10 items. The between distance is 36 and row is 1. If you increase the row, you can increase. So I will give the 2 and we will check. You see this one is 2 rows. So I don't need to 2 rows, I need only 1 rows. You see this one. So today's lecture number 4 is finished. So again lecture number 5 we are learn these tools bar. So next lecture is 5, so we will learn these tools. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.